Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Palazi Snaza and this is my spend a day with me vlog. First thing first, we start here. I bought this charcoal Colgate, ne? Because something in me, when I Colgate, I'm obsessed with white teeth, ne? And then I asked a friend, Bana, what can I? Oh, I was seeing the oil pulling. Don't everyone. There's oil pulling challenge on TikTok. Ne, your coconut oil. I bought it. Let me show you. Oh, no, I'm not sure if I showed you, but I bought it way back. As much as I bought it for my hair, my skin, since this is the winter. But I was like, I'm gonna do it. I did it. I want to be honest with you. I did it on the first day, but something in me was like, hey, why does it has to leave Amazinia very clean? What's going on? Oh, I asked another friend of mine, Olaze, and then she said, if you want your teeth to be white, your toothpaste should have fluoride. Fluoride toothpaste, not fluoride. And then I'm gonna use this. I'm not sure if you've done it. I haven't used this spatula to remove the cookie because don't get as lemons on kakhulu izidlo ezininzi. So today mabaze seliyeza abantwana yeke umlomo uxobileyo but fresh. That's what matters. Amanzi amashushu yo guys ayaqaqamba amanzi so ndawenza abedede xa mhlawumbi sendisi girls zam, my girl and my boys, I mean baselisiyeza. Omnye is 3 and another one is Mama, is that boy? Baselisiyeza so that you can cook very well. Yes. Come on, one thing about my son, today's system, the one that is always constipated, he now struggles to go to the loo. I have to make meals, like I have to make sure that Sally tries in. You just come, Sam. In them. You could put your clam. For 9:20, and must really understand one. Guys, I'm putting this one here because it's on my charger, and then you could try about 10-day charge, so I can take you with me. But if you see this simple and stay soft, it means you're washing, especially uniform, versus kateti, and then come back to the new. I just want to rest. No. There's something I want us to do today. I want us to try it. So when I come back shopping, done with the laundry, the good was washing. Send enjoying you beg up before him otherwise. Then the child. As if that's Julie's pants. As I was trading my baby, I've removed. I don't understand why because I gave them windows with that. Again, they will wait for us come as what to do that because that's what to do that. Matter I do it like abandon. And the child deserves tia kodol. Open we are come along, but let's cook. I am making it. What's this? This is one of them. I'm making beef ribs, ne? Yeah, I'm making beef ribs. Then I'm gonna let me put the lid here. So kanza ezibamba senkomo nepapa cabbage qha awela utya ngesandla. So I might as well just prepare like as soon as possible. The cabbage So ndinebhozo ndinale phila I bought from Shein Dala ndingazange ndayisebenzisa. I want to see if ndizakwazi nayisebenzisa oko ndidileyo, but if iyandilibazisa because ndinovazi, if iyandilibazisa I will not use it. Asiyendle ndithengele icala lekhaphetshu because ndiyayazi xa igcwele ikhaphetshu apha endlini aziyendabi ibola. The knife one liye lawina ibhozo. So now we have ikhaphetshu yethu. I will add aromas. Top class spice mix. Replacing what we call the aroma. Now I guess the aroma because not a place high aroma. So just have 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Back to in and then here, once eating warm, I'm gonna have my brown sugar. Right, look up. I'm gonna have clock oil teaspoon. Yeah. I think I'm in for the time. Yes, I'm in the then after washing my body, I'll put it up and stop it back. We're going fast. Oh, okay, I've taken a decision. Remember when I said I want us to have something or to do something today? We're not going to do it today. We're going to do it next week or in this week's video, in our skin video, okay? Because the weather outside is not weathering. Honey, Lala baby. Umima ukhuma akafuni ulala phela nomini abana routine ngekhaya xa ilapho bane-routine ngoku akafuni ulala ngithi Jeza imoya myself my man asibhekele nomina yami wahlala phi wena Let me sign sitting down with you. Is a scammer? Come on. Isn't it? Gachi. Let's eat. Kenny Kissan. Boom, boom, boom. Eatings. Huh? Sugar, babe. This is my tea. I'm making dessert. Weza kuthuma ngingaphuma ngaphendle. Thina qotha advantage man. Jonga. Assist now. I hate this. But it also shows that include kamandi. Kuya ngokuthi ngubani ami ndawo ezinjani. Eh? Doing what? Go up. Khawungena endlini kum. Okay, this time. Utsho. Ngena.
Zala kom.
Kuthi ayimiyeke ukhuma kaloku.
Come. Angiqhubele phela le nyanga kuba yifuna.
Ebinyama babe. Akuhlala izitya. Akuhlala izitya. Sodwa nasasithi isiqhamo mhlawumbe izitya ngoku.
Awuqale embizeni akho sheklela.
Oh. Jika lapho siqhamuka iphethe nisela apha embizeni. ngiyahamba. Ngubani lo mntana uphethe ubheke kuthiwa wena ngokulo Eva ke? Ye,
Aphinde ahamba.
ngumntana waphi? Akadikwanga. Uyazi uba kuphi ibheki lo avekayo? Kwamakazi.
Kamakazi.
Uyivakale kaloku ngulaa mntana ufana utamkhulu wakhe eqhithi bakhe. Akuvumiwe lele ha. Akuvumiwe lele. Nini izele buya iza notya.
Uma.
This makes me miss home. I'm going home tomorrow. Utya kwam le. You are going to shine izokwazi? Izisichama. Qala khophe leza teaspoon boyi-2. Yho, hluthini ingathi zoxhelwa. Nam. So now I am sleeping. Iphelile into endidibanisa netafile nekhitshi necephe mna. Fathers uzophakela thina late, usiqham uzophakela aba late. Okay. Guys, I've enjoyed my day. I hope you did. If you're watching this video up to this far, please subscribe. See you in the next vlog.